Since coming back from our 5-day adventure, there are one or two jobs that we've decided that we need to do. One of the things is to change the front windscreens, which were quite misty, and so having looked at the quality of the video, we decided that we needed to change both windscreens in order to allow maximum effect with the camera. So it's been quite a job to take out the old windows and replace them. I had to drill out quite a few of the screws because they were all well welded and rusty. It took a couple of days to do each window, so we had to use the good old tarpaulin sheets to keep the boat watertight during some quite unsettled weather. I added a metal sidebar to give a little more strength on the bend, and the frame was lined with a rubber seal to keep water out and to stop the glass from rattling. So this is putting in the last part of the new windscreen. So we've now completed both windows, and hopefully that is going to improve the view from inside and help us when we're doing our videos. One of the other things that we've done since coming back is move the life ring, which has always been a bit of an issue as to where to put it. It needs to be close at hand, but it also needs to be out the way. And when we had it on the boat with the hood down, it was on the back of the boat, which became a bit of a nuisance because it kind of blocked the access in and off the back of the boat. So we finally decided to put it at the side here and make a little cradle with a couple of hooks, and hopefully it's out the way, but also hand should we ever need it. We've also done a fair amount of painting inside the cockpit, just to try and brighten it up a little bit. I like the traditional wood finish, but I think it needed breaking up a little bit. So we've added a bit of blue to it to just break it up. I have done some painting in the cuddy. I've painted the boards under the deck and some of the bed boards. I've also repainted the side of the sink to accommodate my tray holder and tray. I have repaired and repainted the barge pole and my grab hook. I tend to use this more when I'm out on my own, because it's quite difficult to be steering the boat from the cockpit and throwing ropes out to get them round bollards. The red markers on the pole, these indicate a 2 foot gap from the bottom of the pole to the red marker. So if ever I want to just have a quick test to see how deep the canal is, then I've got some sort of indicator. I have carried out some fiberglass repairs to the roof in preparation for painting the outside of the boat. Been much debate here this afternoon as to whether that should be the actual colour of the boat, but this is really just a primer undercoat. The colours that I bought are more in keeping with the blue that was there before. So this is the colour that it will all be eventually, just the one colour blue rather than being two tones as it was before.